Do you know that the oil you use every day could be damaging your heart? From butter and ghee to olive oil and trans fats, not all oils are created equal. Today, we are diving into the dangers and benefits of cooking oils and revealing a surprising tip to protect your heart health. Start with butter. It's creamy, flavorful, and makes almost everything taste better. But it's high in saturated fat, which has been linked to raising LDL or bad cholesterol, contributing to heart disease. Flip side, butter is a natural product and contains vitamins like A and D, along with conjugated linoleic acid, which may have some anti-inflammatory benefits when consumed in moderation. Next up, ghee, a staple in many cultures, especially in India. Preliminary studies on rats indicate that ghee may lower the risk of cardiovascular disease by reducing cholesterol and triglyceride levels while increasing high-density lipoprotein, often referred to as good cholesterol. Ghee contains conjugated linoleic acid, which is believed to play a key role in its heart health benefits. Researchers suggest that CLA's antioxidant properties enhance the activity of enzymes that neutralize free radicals. Additionally, CLA helps protect fatty acid cells from damage, a process linked to the onset of cardiovascular disease. However, excessive consumption can still contribute to clogged arteries. Moderation is key when adding this golden elixir to your meals. Coconut oil has gained a cult following in recent years, but is it really heart healthy? Coconut oil is about 90% saturated fat, and while it raises HDL or good cholesterol, it also raises LDL. Some research shows potential antimicrobial benefits, but when it comes to your heart, the American Heart Association still advises caution with coconut oil. Individuals at risk of heart disease, it's recommended to limit saturated fat intake to no more than 6% of daily calories, equivalent to around 13 grams on a 2000 calorie diet. A single tablespoon of coconut oil nearly reaches the limit, containing about 12 grams of saturated fat. Now, let's talk about trans fats, the true villain of the cooking oil world. These are artificially created fats found in margarine, packaged snacks, and fried foods. Trans fats are known to raise bad cholesterol and lower good cholesterol, making them a double-edged sword against your heart. Many countries have banned trans fats, but always check labels for partially hydrogenated oils. The Food Safety and Standard Authority of India has stated that all food items should contain less than 2% of trans fat from Jan 2022. Polyunsaturated fatty acids like soya bean or sunflower oil are often marketed as heart healthy due to their omega-6 content. But here is the catch: excess omega-6 can cause inflammation in the body. Seed oils are a danger to your liver. These oils can be stuck in your liver for 2 years that causes inflammation and lead to fatty liver. It can cause fibrosis and cirrhosis. Avoid these oils: soy, corn, canola, and cottonseed. Try to balance your polyunsaturated fatty acids with omega-3 rich foods like fish or flax seeds for better heart health. Olive oil, especially extra virgin, is often called the king of healthy fats. It's rich in monounsaturated fats and antioxidants, which can lower bad cholesterol and reduce inflammation. However, olive oil isn't perfect for high heat cooking as it has a low smoke point. A cooking oil smoke point is the temperature at which it begins to smoke and break down, and it affects the flavor, nutrition, and safety of your food. Use it for salads, dips, or light sauteing to retain its health benefits. So, what's the best way to protect your heart while using cooking oils? This is the golden tip. Rotate your oils to get a variety of nutrients. Use olive oil for salads, ghee or butter sparingly for flavor, and high smoke point oil like avocado oil for frying, and always avoid trans fats. A balanced diet paired with regular exercise is the ultimate recipe for a healthy heart. Your heart health is in your hands and in your pan. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more food wisdom.